Pleasant day to all of us. We are the Team 2 from Bisville 2-3. I am Princess Nicole Gala.
And I am Jillian Major Gallo.
And I am Chai Chai Montesilio.
I am Igmedio Obligar.
I am Rolian May Arpia.
Today, we are excited to present our proposed conference plan entitled Clear Air, Clear Future, a conference on haze and pollution.
We aim to raise public understanding and encourage everyone to take better care of their well being in the face of environmental changes. To begin with, let me introduce the heart of our activity, the conference theme. Our theme is raising awareness on the effects of poor air quality and safety measures. This conference specifically addresses the alarming concern of haze and rapidly declining air quality, especially here in urban areas like Cebu City. We have structured our discussion into three key areas. First, we will deeply understand the causes and various sources of air pollution. Second, we will discuss both the short term and long term effects on human health and our environment. And lastly, we will present practical solutions, safety measures, and preventive actions that everyone can practice daily. And ultimately, our goal is we want to turn awareness into action so people know exactly how to adopt, protect themselves, and stay safe amidst these environmental challenges. Over to you, Jillian.
Thank you, Pia. Now, who exactly are we targeting and who will benefit most from this event? Let me present our target audience. Our participants are divided into two main groups, such as a general public and academic community. First is general public, specifically the commuters, residents, and every individual who is exposed to polluted air on a daily basis. Second is the academic community, which includes the students, teachers, staff, and personnel of Cebu Technological University. Those groups are ones directly affected because of their daily commute and activities, making them the primary beneficiaries of this vital aspect. And now let's talk about financial aspects. Ignidio?
Thanks, Jillian. To ensure that this event runs smoothly and successfully, we have prepared a detailed and planned practical budget plan. Our total estimated budget amount to 2,500 pesos. Here's the breakdown of expenses. Marketing and graphics, 250 pesos. Internet and utilities, 300 pesos. Certificates, 50 pesos. Technical team, 400 pesos. 5 boxes of masks, 500 pesos. And lastly, for contingency fund, which is 1,000 pesos. For the source of funds, this will be covered through the personal contribution of the group members, or possibly from school funds. And we are also open to seeking external sponsorship and donations. Every peso is allocated wisely to cover all necessary needs. This budget ensures that we have everything prepared without overspending. Now, who will share their expertise with us? Chai, please.
Thank you, Igmedio. Of course, a conference is nothing without credible speakers who can share their knowledge and experience. We are honored to invite first, we have Mr. Jimrex Cortez, who is an employee from the local government unit environment office. He will be discussing the causes, sources, and effects of our air pollution, specifically here in Cebu City. Second, we have Miss Annalisa Digamo. We are privileged to have Miss Digamo, a medical professional. She will tackle an essential safety measures and practical solution on how we can protect our health. We are confident that their expertise will provide valuable and reliable insight to our audience. And finally, how will this event conducted, Princess?
Thanks, Chai. To ensure wide participation and everyone's safety, our event will be held virtually. It is designed as a virtual online conference. We will be utilizing two main platforms. Google Meet will be used for the main session where direct interaction and Q&A will take place. And Facebook Live will be used for public viewing to reach a wider audience even outside the university. This way, learning is accessible and convenient for everyone.
And that covers all the details of our plan. We believe that this conference is timely and necessary, especially now that the air quality is big issue.
We hope for your support so we can help promote a safer and healthier environment. Thank you very much for listening.
Clear air,
Clear future.
Let's breathe life.
Into a better tomorrow.
Thank you.